It's plantain season, and this recipe is specially made for plantain lovers. Hey, Clarence Kitchen lovers, welcome back to the channel. Long time no voice over. Hope you guys are great. Please join me. Let's whip up this delicious meal that can serve very well as breakfast, brunch, or dinner. Firstly, get a ripe plantain and wash them thoroughly. Then go ahead and cut them into size of your choice. In a clean pot, add your plantain, small amount of water and little salt. Cover and allow to cook till it is tender and well cooked. This takes about 3 to 5 minutes. For the egg sauce, heat your saucepan. Go in with olive oil, your onions, fresh tomato and pepper mix. Stir gently as it cooks. If today is your first time here, you're highly welcome to Clarence Kitchen. Here we give out superb step-by-step full recipe for a healthy living. Please do well by joining the family by clicking on subscription button, on your notification bell to know when a new video drops. Thank you so much as you do so. Break in the eggs. Add a pinch of salt, mix, and I added red and green bell peppers to it. I poured in the egg mixture into my saucepan and I continued stirring, making sure I combine them all. Now my egg sauce is ready. It's plating time. It's plating time, guys. I removed the plantain peels and topped it with my super luscious, very delicious egg sauce on it. Look at it, guys. Isn't it beautiful? Thank you for watching this far. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel. See you on my next video. Bye.